I'm back. I'm making another pendant for my wife. This time it's for her birthday. I'm I don't know how you can see it, but it's two bunnies. One bunny's biting the other bunny's ear. And I'm gonna cut it out of plywood, balsa wood, because that's easy. And then I'll reinforce it, or I'll make it stronger by kind of soaking or coating it with epoxy. So I'm just gonna use this like box cutter razor blade. It just slices right through it, so easy. Wow, that's super easy. It doesn't look like it's focused. Anyway. Here's where I have it now. I'm gonna paint it white and then put in like eyes and so forth. Like here, eyes. There's an ear. There's the other ear and stuff. I made it thicker so it won't break. It's super delicate, but it was really nice working in such soft material. And I was able to cut it all out with just a box cutter blade like that. I forgot to say that this design is one that I copied from the manga artist that came up with the manga Lovely Complex, or Lovecom. Here's the finished product. I put this stainless steel ring in there. There's the back, covered with epoxy. And then I'm going to put it into this. It's sort of like a present box. And then I'll draw like a bow on the top. Here, let me do that. I'll be right back. There it is. Thanks for watching.